Woo! All right. Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. Huzzah! I don't do these videos very often, but there's a special reason for it today. So, let's hop right into it. Now, the reason that I am doing a live video today is that some of my colleagues have reached out to me and they asked me for some help. They are doing a big project reassessing the evolutionary family tree and biogeography of the iconic sauropod group Diplodocodea. So these are our long-necked dinosaurs that we are most familiar with. Diplodocus, Apatosaurus, Seismosaurus, Supersaurus, those ones. So with this project, they are trying to get funds to make this special volume open access. That means that not just scientists, but the ordinary man or woman or child could get online and read these scientific papers for themselves, which is a huge deal because we have a serious lack of communication where that's considered concerned. Let's use the right English. It's been a long day. We had screaming children at work, and my brain is slowly crumbling. So the aim of these papers is to describe and redescribe new and old specimens in this family to better understand their ecology and biogeography. The significance of this project is that it will be open to the public. It'll focus on helping us understand how this clade evolved, where they started, where they ended up, how they fit in their ecological niche, and how they ended up distributed the way they did. So they have 5 more days before they're, where's my camera? Right there. 5 more days before this project is done. But they need just a little bit more money so that they can pay for some paleo artists to include paleo art in some of these publications, because paleo art significantly enhances a paper. So we are asking for a little bit of a donation. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, and if you do donate, you get to have your name in a scientific paper, which is super exciting. They will acknowledge you as having helped the project get up and do its thing. And hang on a second. Albus. Oh my gosh. One moment. I tell you. Okay. In and out, in and out. They say get a cat. It's fun. They're annoying. They're annoying. Look at this. He's annoying. No, because you're going to go scratch at the door. So you're going to sit in my lap while I finish this. Okay. So on the subject of papers, there are 2 papers in this volume that are already out. There's one called Description of the New Diplodocene Ardetosaurus Viator that came out last October. And then there's another one that came out in June of this year, which is an introduction and overview of Diplocoidea. And so if you want to read 2 papers that are already out from this project, there is always that option. Let's let me make sure I covered all my bases. Open access, 2 papers already out. This is a very big deal because there are so many diplodocids that we already know about, and it'd be really nice to know how they're all related to each other and how that affects everything about them and all of that. Um, they're going to be conducting a phylogenetic analysis using morphological characters, such as the absence or presence of anatomical traits, to test the evolutionary relationships. So basically, they're going to be using physical characters of the bones to make a family tree of all of these long-necked dinosaurs, which is super cool. And that takes a lot of work to do. Yeah, I think that about covers everything that they're doing. So, again, if you want to help with this project, the description of this video does have the link to the website so that you can click that link and go help back the project, get your name into one of those scientific papers. And there are other videos that are already out. If you go to the website and then click on the lab notes, they have all the other videos they've put out. There's an I Know Dino podcast where they discuss the campaign. They have some collaborative videos for it so you can see exactly what they're doing. Yeah. Yeah. So you have until October 23rd to help back this project. And we really hope you do because you can never get enough information about long-necked dinosaurs. Sauropods are one of the coolest. So, this cat, he's going to be the death of me. Okay. Anyway, again, make sure you check out the link and go back them up so you can be in a paper. And I will see you all Monday. So, fossilage later.